Hi, I'm Kisha Lindsay Thiel Kuzar from Group 15, BSED English 1A. Are you a teacher or yet to be educator who wants to improve your educational materials into a much more interactive content? Do you think you have that educational tool in mind that is accessible, reliable, and easy to use? If so, and if not, then this video might be for you. As you may not know yet, this video is actually about this educational tool. What is this tool? What is H5P.org all about? Why is this helpful? And that is what my partner Kimberly Carmona is going to discuss to you about.
Hello everyone, this is Kim Carmona, and in this video, we will just be talking about H5P.org, the definition, the purpose, and we'll also show a demonstration of how to use it.
H5P.org, also known for its abbreviation, which is HTML5 package. It aims to make it easy for teachers to create interactive contents such as presentations, videos, and other multimedia, questions, quizzes, games, and more without the need of programming skills. H5P is an open source tool that allows users to create interactive content like quizzes, interactive H5P videos, and presentations without needing to program. It is used to make online learning more engaging and is compatible with various systems such as WordPress, Drupal, and learning managements like Canvas and Moodle. The creative content is responsive, meaning it can be accessed on different devices like computers, tablets, and smartphones.